How long do you think it took me to make this video?
Surprised at what you find. Tip 3. Use the 3 MITs method. MITs equals most important tasks. Each morning, write down the 3.
Probably like 5 to 6 hours. How about this thumbnail? How long do you think it took? Like 2 hours, 3 hours? Well, that's not even close. Let me show you. Welcome back to the Expand to Market AI course. I realized in our excitement to get started in the first video, I completely forgot to introduce myself. Please, excuse my manners. My name is Wesley, and I have the pleasure of leading the AI department here at Expand to Market. I've been with this incredible team for 4 years now, with a journey in artificial intelligence that dates back to its very beginning. Speaking of practical experience, today we're exploring a tool that revolutionizes content creation. It's called OpusClip, an AI designed to intelligently transform your long-form videos into engaging short-form content. And its capabilities don't stop there. Let's dive right in. Now that we're in OpusClip, after we have logged in, we go to our channel, or any channel, doesn't really matter, and we pick a video. In our case, I'm picking Albania's Secret City. We copy it, drop the link here, and click Get Free Clips. It will open this tab. Okay, so we choose our template. I'll choose this one because I really like it. Clip length. Let's choose about 60 seconds to 90 seconds. So here we can choose our genre. This is a vlog. Let me find it. Vlog, clip model, clip anything, let AI detect, and just click Get Clips in one click. We need to wait about 7 minutes for this, and I'll catch you right when it's finished. You also have Master OpusClip in here, 5 videos that will learn you more about OpusClip to master it. So while we wait for this to finish, I will show you a very interesting OpusClip feature. We click here, OpusClip thumbnail, which is free for now. So let me drop another video. How can you work 4 hours a week? Share, copy link, put the link in here, generate thumbnail. Now we wait for this to finish. It takes like less than 3 minutes. So our thumbnail is ready. It's not the best in the world, I have to be honest with you, but for 5 seconds of work, I'll take this any day of the week. And speaking of which, our clips are now ready, and I'm so excited. It's my first time seeing them. Reaction, will be honest with you. Okay, hidden gem, why you need to visit Fier Albania now. Okay, this is amazing. Like, I literally worked for 10 seconds in this. Okay, so that's not all. You can edit the video however you like. So let's say, for example, it misspelled a caption, in which this case has not. It has done a perfect job with the captions, so I don't have to change anything. Okay, let's check another video. Fier Albania budget travel secret. Okay, that gives us some value.
Here is the perfect day trip or overnight stop between Beira, Vlora, and the coast. And what's most surprisingly is cheap.
So this is amazing, but I saw that it misspelled some words, but it's okay because we can fix it here. Fear of Flora and the coast. Laura, it's not correct. It should be Vlora. But even with this misspelled, it has done a pretty amazing job in captions and like video clips. Like, this is amazing. Another thing that I should mention is, for example, you want to professionally edit this video. You click it, you download export XML, and we wait for it to finish. It will take like 10 to 15 seconds. It works just as good as any other editing tool, just that it does all of the work itself. Let's say, for example, I don't like this part from here to here. I can manually delete it. Let's say I don't like this part also. I also can delete it. I can add different transitions, crossfade, for example, cross zoom. It has everything any other editing tool has, just that it does most of the work for you. Another thing that you can do in OpusClip, you have a calendar here to schedule all of your clips, all of your posts for social media. You have analytics in here when you can upload your social media, and it will give you AI generated analytics. You have social accounts. In here you can add all of your accounts, so it implies to the analytics one. It's pretty amazing, to be honest. And for the price of it, like,